Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got a spicy one, the last of the Daebak varieties I have not reviewed, at least the ones that are in new clothing. This is Daebak Ghost Pepper Cheese Spicy Chicken Flavor. Yeah. Serving suggestion. Look at that. Swiss cheese on it. That might be pretty good. I've done that. I've put Swiss cheese on instant noodles and it's worked pretty well. Just gets really gloppy, and I like that. I appreciate gloppiness in an instant noodle and a cheese adorning it. So we put water up to the line right about there, and then we make sure that's off, and we want to have this go for 4 minutes, 4 to 4.5 minutes. Ugh. So we'll do that. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Give it a little shove. And yes, there's going to be a mukbang. I can't believe I'm doing a mukbang today, but I am. So yeah. And thanks again to the kind folks over at Mommy Double Decker, Shinsegai, Daebak, yeah, Mommy Chef. It's all basically Mommy Double Decker does Mommy Chef and Mommy Instant Noodles, and they've got stuff like Slurp, SLRP, which is there's an extra padas in there that they make that's really hot curry. I mean, real hot. And the Daebak is developed, like this one, developed in South Korea and manufactured by Mommy Double Decker, developed by Shinsegai, manufactured by Mommy Double Decker in Malaysia. And that was an interesting set because there's these spicy ones. The Carolina Reaper one that they did in these cups was pretty formidable. My gut started getting angry at that one, and that's not usually how it works for me. It's got to be something real spicy for that to happen. So yeah, we'll see on that one for the top 10 spicy list. And then you have the new pack versions that under the Daebak umbrella. They had a spicy mushroom, which reminded me of like a really standard ramen. The spiciness was really nice, and the mushroom part wasn't a mushroom flavor. It was actual lots of pieces of mushroom, and that kind of was almost meaty. They had a seaweed one I didn't expect that I liked, that I found to be quite good. What else did they have? A dokbaki, rubbaki. That was all right. Did they have no, they had seaweed. I don't remember if they had a seafood. They had a couple others in the Daebak pack versions. Also got to do the Daebak Ghost Pepper and Daebak Ghost Pepper Cheese pack versions. Those were very formidable. And then I'd have to say the ones that I've been wanting to review for the longest time again, and one for the first time. Mommy Chef curry. The curry one is just absolutely wonderful. And then they've got a lontong, and that one was wonderful too. And finally, they have a new mee goreng, which I did the cup version and I did the pack version. And that mee goreng was off the hook. Really good stuff. Nice kind of like basil flavor going on with it. And yeah. But a lot of different things to try. And so that went well. And I'm really excited about it. Those reviews will be coming down the chute in a while. I mentioned in a couple episodes of this show ago that I've done them all, but I did a review. Oh, maybe I didn't mention. I posted review 4410, and that I want to say that was posted in January, the video for it. And then just now, the actual post came out, and it's March 10th. So we're looking at a while before this comes out, possibly mid-August. So I'm really far ahead. I'm almost 200 reviews ahead of what's posted and what comes out, which is a really nice place to be. I mean, I could go and just take the whole summer off, practically. I guess it's funny because there's like when the posts for these the YouTube vids come out, and then there's when the what do you call it? The actual posts on the website come out. And it says that the post or the video for the chocolate Brazilian one that I did, that one, oh, I got a little bit of drippy drip on the phone. That's okay. Whoa, it's mad. Doing junk like that today earlier because I, come on. Because I was out walking and it was raining, so of course when you walk in the rain with a phone and stuff, it doesn't really work out so great. This one's not going to get like an amazing amount of gussying up, so I'll let you look. What is it? 2:15. Got to get kids off the bus at 2 or 4. Yeah, I got to be outside like 4:05. So I gotta do this, I gotta get junk done, I gotta do mukbang. Right. Got a lot of dishes to do. Images to edit. I would have been done already, but instead of doing it later, I decided to do my do extra walking beforehand. So just walking around the kitchen, I've probably hit my 20,000 steps. Don't want to really get any of that on my finger. This is the ghost pepper oil. Formidable stuff. And then finally, oh, I got a tiny bit on my finger. I can taste it. Oh. And then we got the cheese powder. And then we'll mix it all up and make it look pretty. And then this will come out, if you're watching it right now, and it just had come out. It came out at 1 p.m. U.S. West Coast time. So LA, Vancouver, BC, and the mukbang will come out at 2. I haven't even done the mukbang yet. I can tell you it'll come out at 2 because what I'm going to do is do all this work on it after I do the mukbang and everything, and do all this editing and get everything done. I'm kind of running low on noodles to review right now, but luckily a patron of the Ramen Raider, a guy named James from Lakeside, California, has signaled to me that he sent a care package with some violet crumble bars and some noodles. So I'm excited about that. Thank you. I've got a package coming from Taiwan, so there'll be some new Taiwanese reviews coming shortly from a company I haven't reviewed any of their stuff from before. I love that. Thank you. And I got a new my crate that I haven't cracked open yet, so it is possible that there's some new Japanese varieties in there. Anything's possible. Yeah, we'll see. If you're wondering, yes, I'm still doing my diet. I've had a couple tastes of noodles, I've had a couple bites of chicken, but this right here is basically my lunch. At least I had a little bit of something in my gut before doing this, but it will be mukbang-alicious. That little mound of mean spicy right there. So I'm gonna garnish this with what little chicken I have left. Maybe I can make it go all the way around. I don't think so. Chicken. Chicken. We'll try chicken. 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 Yeah, kinda. Chicken. Just a little bit left. There. Yeah, not really much, but little bits and pieces here at this point. The phone that's playing this music as a Bluetooth speaker is freaking out because there's a little tiny bit of water on it from review stuffage. So, a little spring onion there. A little bit of sesame seed to kind of make the color of the darkness punch a little better. And that's it. And that's what I'm gonna eat for the mukbang right there. Ghosty, peppery, hot stuff. Yeah. All right, rotate, sucker. Well, that's about as off-center as I've had one of these plates be in a while, but yeah, you'll get to see it again in a minute. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment with your noodles. Thanks for joining me on my show, and I really appreciate it. If you like watching this show a lot, like, subscribe, hit the little bell, but you don't have to if you don't want to. And yeah, have a good one. Bye.